Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming town of Coleman, Alberta, a place where history and natural beauty meet in the heart of the Crowsnest Pass region. Situated in southwestern Alberta, Coleman is surrounded by the stunning landscapes of the Rocky Mountains, offering visitors a chance to experience the awe-inspiring scenery and outdoor adventures that this area is known for. The town of Coleman was named after Nicholas M. Coleman, a former lieutenant governor of Alberta who served from 1919 to 1922. The town's development was closely linked to the coal mining industry, which played a significant role in shaping its history and economy. Coleman became a bustling mining community in the early 20th century, attracting workers and their families who contributed to the town's growth and development. With its rich history, beautiful surroundings, and vibrant community, Coleman is a town that invites you to explore its past and enjoy its present. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Coleman, Alberta. Thanks for watching!